The Dogon people possess astronomical knowledge that baffles scientists and scholars to this very day. How did a tribe, isolated from the ancient astronomers of Greece and Kemet, or what Western scholars call Egypt, come to know about Sirius B, a star invisible to the naked eye, until the invention of the telescope in the 17th century? This enigma has captivated the minds of many. What if I told you that the Dogon's cosmic understanding challenges our perceptions of ancient wisdom and technology? The Dogon, a well-regarded African ethnic group known for their resilience against Islam and their efforts to maintain their cultural heritage, reside on the Bandiagara cliffs in Mali. Renowned for their profound astronomical understanding, the Dogon have been recognized for their detailed knowledge of the cosmos, including planets, stars, and comets, long before such discoveries were made with modern technology elsewhere in the world. The Dogon people embody the Hermetic maxim, as above, so below. This principle, central to their understanding of the universe, encapsulates the intricate connection between the macrocosm of the cosmos and the microcosm of atomic and subatomic particles. This maxim, in simple terms, states that the celestial dynamics observed in the vast expanses of space reflect, in essence, the same principles that govern the behavior of particles in the world. This concept, while ancient, resonates with modern astrophysics. Robert Bauval's The Orion Mystery offers another academic perspective, linking the alignment of the Giza pyramids with the stars of Orion's belt to an ancient form of star worship that connects earthly monuments with celestial phenomena. Bauval's work suggests that the pyramids serve as a star map, a tangible representation of the Hermetic principle, and a bridge between earthly and cosmic realms. In Conversations with Ogotemeli, Griol provides a detailed account of his discussions with a Dogon elder, unveiling the complexity of Dogon celestial observations and its implications for our understanding of ancient knowledge systems and their relevance to contemporary science. John Anthony West's Serpent in the Sky further explores Egyptian cosmology and its potential influences on Dogon thought, arguing for a more profound connection between ancient civilizations and their understanding of astronomical phenomena. Several scholars have contributed significantly to our understanding of the Dogon and their cosmological insights. Notably, Marcel Griol and Germaine Dieterlen's landmark study, outlined in their work The Pale Fox, provides an exhaustive examination of Dogon religious and philosophical thought. Their research highlights the Dogon's sophisticated astronomical knowledge, including their awareness of Sirius B, a white dwarf star invisible to the naked eye, long before its discovery by Western scientists. Dr. Kaba Kamene reports the impressive knowledge of the Dogon, highlighting how the Dogon were familiar with the orbit of Sirius B around Sirius A, a fact that predates modern astronomical observations by centuries. Oba Tashakas reports how the Dogon, during their Sigi ceremony held every 60 years to honor Sirius A, used the Kanaga mask. This tradition was shared with Marcel Griol and Dieterlen by the Dogon, who showed them how each ceremony's mask is stored on individual chairs, revealing a timeline of their astronomical celebrations that stretches back 720 years. Dr. Kamene Kaba points out that by the year 1200, the Dogon had already recorded the orbit of Sirius B, a knowledge that only reached the Western world in 1920. He further explains that the Dogon's traditions suggest an even deeper historical awareness of these celestial movements, potentially dating back to the year 230 BCE. Addressing how the Dogon could have acquired such detailed astronomical knowledge is a difficult question. There are various theories and speculations, ranging from extraterrestrial visits to the profound human capability of the Dogon, as shown in their ability to adapt to the natural environment. Many might already know that celestial observations become significantly clearer under conditions of low light. This means that when observing the night sky from a secluded spot, you're more likely to discern important celestial phenomena compared to the view from a brightly lit urban area. Hence, the reason for this might be simpler than you might think. One can make the argument that enhanced night vision, acquired through generations of living in low-light conditions, might have enabled the Dogon to develop extraordinary visual acuity. This could have enabled them to observe celestial phenomena without the need for telescopic technology. This exceptional night vision, honed over millennia, could explain how the Dogon were able to make such precise astronomical observations, including the rings of Saturn, the moons of Jupiter, and the Earth's solar orbit, offering a glimpse into the remarkable ways humans can adapt to and understand their universe. Interestingly, the Dogon priests and ancient Egyptians shared comparable cosmic observations. It is now believed that the alignment of the Giza pyramids with the belt stars of Orion was no coincidence but a deliberate representation of these stars from Earth's perspective. This alignment, known as the Orion correlation theory, suggests that the ancients were pointing to a deep, cosmic truth through their monumental architecture. Intriguingly, the Dogon also used stones to represent significant stars in their cosmology, notably those in Orion's belt. They saw these arrangements as a way to mirror the stars' arrangement in the heavens, grounding celestial observations in earthly forms. Adding another layer to this cosmic puzzle, modern research and geometric analysis of the Giza pyramids and Orion's belt stars have revealed stunning similarities. This correlation sparked the exploration of ancient Egyptian words related to measurement, leading to the discovery of Barnard's Loop, a massive, though faint, cosmic structure encompassing the Orion constellation. The dimensions of Barnard's Loop strikingly match those of the Great Pyramid, suggesting that the ancient builders encoded astronomical knowledge into these monuments. Barnard's Loop, like the Dogon's conceptual egg of the world, embodies the cycle of death and rebirth in the cosmos, where stars are born from the remnants of supernovas. This cosmic loop, with its spiraling form, mirrors the ancient descriptions of the universe's creation and continual renewal, aligning with the Dogon and Egyptian views of the cosmos as a dynamic, ever-evolving entity. The Dogon attribute the creation of matter to a deity named Amma, using rich symbols and myths to explain the complex structure of the cosmos. Their narrative unfolds in three distinct phases, starting with a perfectly ordered universe that transitions into a state of chaos, only to be reformed into the reality we experience today. According to the Dogon, our universe has undergone three major transformations. Initially, it existed in a perfectly ordered state, symbolized by tranquil waves. This order was disrupted by perception, giving rise to a second chaotic state of matter, reminiscent of the disorderly underworlds in ancient mythologies. Matter then evolved through 7 vibrational stages within a cosmic egg, culminating in the third and current world we perceive, a reflection of a more fundamental, wave-like reality that lies beyond our everyday experience. The Dogon described the smallest unit of matter as the Po, which closely resembles the atoms of modern science. This unit is made up of smaller components, called scene seeds, similar to protons and neutrons, which orbit around the Po, similar to electrons around an atom. Their description astonishingly parallels the images captured by electron microscopes, suggesting a profound understanding of atomic structure long before modern science. Delving deeper, the Dogon's cosmology incorporates 266 primordial seeds, or signs of matter, which they compare to the vast array of fundamental particles known to physics, each categorized by its spin. The Dogon's ancient myths remarkably align with contemporary scientific understanding, from atomic theory to the nuances of particle physics and string theory. Their narrative of matter's evolution, from orderly waves through chaotic transformation to the structured reality we know, mirrors the scientific journey to understand the universe's most fundamental elements. In essence, the Dogon priests provide a mesmerizing account of the universe's creation and structure, blending mythological narrative with elements that resonate closely with contemporary scientific theories. Their vision offers a unique lens through which we can explore the mysteries of the cosmos, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern understanding. Until the lions have their own historians, the tales of the hunt will always glorify the hunter.